Hi friends, I'm here at the Hilton Woodland Hills, California. So I'm standing in the entryway of a two queen bed room, standard room. Here to the right, you will see the closet. There is the front area. We already put all our bags in, and this is a lot of space when you enter. Lengthwise mirror, the bathroom's there. I'll give a tour later. And so here are the two queen beds, a place for you to sit or put your luggage and sit and put your shoes, or you could put your luggage there. Drawers, some more drawers here. Here's the safe. Okay, let's look at one of the drawers up here. And then I believe this is a 55-inch TV, and you can see just minimal decor. And the style like this is also the one in the lobby. Here is the desk with the chair, and then they provide some coffee. Oh, so in the pictures it had a Keurig, but I guess this room has that type of coffee. Their little stainless steel ice bucket and a tray there, and your little fridge, just enough to put some drinks in there or some stuff for a midnight snack, I guess. Another place for you to sit. And then this is the view of the room from this angle. You can see it's a pretty large room. Okay, now let's see what kind of view we have. So right here by, I think it's called the Warner Center. So we're on the 5th floor. You can kind of just see more of my phone. And we had self-parking, although there is valet parking. All right, and some light over there. Definitely expected a very good bed, so it is. And let's see the pillows. Nice pillows. Okay, your typical drawers there in the middle. And my family's here, so there's 4 of us. And then let's go look at the restroom. So you have a hook here, and the toilet and sink are not separate, which I prefer when there's the 4 of us, but that's okay. And a lot of the hotels now are having the vanity lights around the mirror, which I think is perfect. Then you have the one sink, and the toiletries are the Crabtree and Evelyn. All right. Okay, there, focus now. You got the towels down here, okay. And then here's your shower. Okay, decent size, kind of a walk-in shower. All right, and then there's the floor. Let's see the angle from over here. Okay. Does that show much? Here's a view of the hallway by the elevator. You can see the same type of decor in the room. And I love that there's a place for you to sit to wait for the elevators. I believe it's it's 12 floors. My husband left his cup of coffee. So that is nice to have benches there while you're waiting and a mirror to check yourself. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this quick room tour of our 2 queen beds here at the Hilton in Woodland Hills, California. This came out to about $241 with tax and fees, and then it includes self-parking in and out. They didn't charge me for that when I checked in. They just charged a $50 incidental, and of course you get that back if I didn't order anything. I think room service might be available, and then I saw downstairs that there is breakfast available, so we might check that out tomorrow. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tour. Let me know in the comments below if this is a room that you would book, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hi, if you've made it this far in the video, I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram at Simply Sherry Travels for my short travel vlogs and things to do and places to go for your first time visits. Also at Simply Sherry Eats for foodie travel finds and local bites. You'll stay up to date in my stories and see behind the scenes. Hope to see you there.